Happy 4th of July on this wonderful and blessed day. Now that I have your patriotic attention, welcome back to Cooking with Lauralee. I am Lauralee, and I will be sharing with you today my to-go-to Italian-inspired pasta salad. I have made it for many years. I call it the gathering pasta. Once you make this salad, you and your family or guests will be hanging around the pasta salad you served. This pasta salad will satisfy anyone's appetite. Change the ingredients to your dietary liking and make it a hit in your home. It is easy, delicious, and great for parties, celebrations, and gatherings. It will be your new to-go-to pasta salad. Be great, happy 4th of July, and be safe, everyone.